welcome back to Wavelength with my co-host / guest Kashu and Blaaz. We're going to ask them to give their favorite 10. But before we do that, let me give you a little of each artist. Okay, Kashu, give the audience some information about you yourself as an artist and as an individual.
Okay, as I said before, my name is Kashu, alright? Don't know, born and grew in Clarendon, alright? And very determined, okay, and very optimistic concerning music. And I don't know, positivity.
Alright, your people in Clarendon know you as, not Kashu first, but what's the full name?
Okay, Kashu man, from them time there. Okay, I don't know, so me when Reggae Shell 2001. That was hosted by Suzy Q then. Okay, so from them title it was Kashu man, but now it's Kashu. Kashu. Yeah.
Alright, we speak to Kashu, and so it's not Kashu you eat, but Kashu. I like that. Alright, Blaaz, same question.
Alright, Andrew Folks is a Clarendon born young man. We use the acronym PIM to describe ourselves, PIM meaning politically inclined and motivated by poverty. Saying, been doing music professionally since 2006, currently signed to Moby's record, along with Kashu man. A Blaaz, you know? Shell.
Alright, that's a good start. Like it.
So well, me go Sudan. Well, we have linked it a real champion. And while me go Sudan, we have linked it a real number one. Aye, the youths them see the lair. We have linked it rule around here. It roll around here. We see the lair. Alright then, aye, the youths them see the lair. We have linked it roll around here. It roll around here. We see the lair. Welcome to Wavelength. I don't know, because I'm Sashga. Blaaz are there, and this is Kashu, the voice of the ghetto. The program allows you to echo. You're listening, you're watching. Thank you for watching now. Hear me now?
Fella style.
So hear me now, Mobies. The one that big like the Globies. I mean, I say Wavelength. It's not a coward, it's a brave link. None of them no better than I, man. None of them no better than me. Remember me come from Clarendon. Have big link strategy. None of them no better than I, man. None of them no better than me. Remember me come from Clarendon. Have links in a NYC. Me love to squeeze AK. And a joke talk. And a care. In our tight piece of shots. You know what 3/8 me say? Yes, me sure. 3/8 that are 24. Them about 6 pants. Them not have nothing yet. Me have more than 26 pants. So now make closet. Talk about double barrel. Me hear that me laugh. Where do you me call it 10 barrels down a wharf? None of them no better than I, man. None of them no better than me. Remember me come from Clarendon. Have links in a NYC. So if I roll back again, me still use the road there. Man, the business but the soldier and police were out there. I could up on the street all the round about there. Me still make me move that. Me say, links, tell the police stop pre me. He might look like a the first him see me. I look for me close that coffee imit. If I'm money in one, me nah give him it. Hear me now, a Wavelength. It's not a coward, it's a Wavelength. You watching? Thank you.
God, I wish I could do something like contribute a verse. Yeah. Oh Jesus! All right, Blaaz, you can't beat that. Oh God! All right, your turn.
Well, first and foremost, you need to compete still, is it? Alright. But in a real life, still in a Wavelength. Sashga, can I tell you something about me? Me head hot like cake when it just a bake. Some boy no real, them is just a fake. Them say Blaaz, you did quit, it was just a break. Now me come back to make the place get ugly like when some girl just a wake. Them a tough up, just a bait. Some boy a just baggage, just a wait. Them say dancehall too come from what day. So now me come to wake it up like when the earth cross a shake. Me nah take no box, I was a drape. Some boy talk about them a done and just a rape. Fissy green, a cause orange nowadays. It's like we see a monkey, cause a ape. Hey Sashga, me head hot. Dengue, some boy ready eye, bitter, me renge. I no kung fu, me sense, inna the almighty with me defense there. Them say, that you a sharpie, tailor razor, that Jamaican is so fly. Here Jamaica, give me the keys for the G, make me stay Jamaica, cure Jamaica. Me now go far, me a the near Jamaica. Me rhyme style like a size 10 to a size 5. Dancehall, need a savior, me a the right price. The girl them say me have the right voice. Links, I am too heavy, limelight. Shell. A Blaaz, no!